Good day, everyone. This is your teacher, Ma'am Adoko, and for our lesson video today, I will be discussing the external and internal users of financial information. Let me give you first the definition of accounting according to Slavin and Reynolds. Accounting is the discipline that provides information on which external and internal users of the information may base decisions that result in the allocation of economic resources in society. So let us dissect this accounting definition. So accounting is the discipline that provides information. So what kind of information? Financial information on which external and internal users of the financial information may base decisions. So who are these external and internal users? So later on, I will be discussing it. May base decisions on what type of decision, or give an example of decision, like example, recruitment and hiring of personnel or staff, price increase of the products or services, or business expansion, or investment of additional property that result in the allocation of economic resources in society. So what do you mean by result in the allocation of economic resources? We all know that businesses improves the standard way of living of the community or of the society. So through their money, through the money of the customers, the business will be able to produce goods or services to provide the needs of the society. And that's what it means. Accounting is the language employed to communicate financial information of a concern to such parties. So accounting is the language through financial statement reports, so that the internal and external users of accounting information will be able to know the standing of the organization, whether it is profitable or not profitable. Now, who are the users of accounting data or information? The internal and external users. Let us start with the internal users of financial informations. Internal users are those individuals inside the company who plan, organize, and run the business. These users are directly involved in managing and operating the business. The internal users are the primary users of the accounting information. So example of internal users: the management. Information needed by the management are the income, earnings for the period, sales available for cash, and the production cost. And the decisions supported by the financial informations analyze the organization's performance and position, and take appropriate measures to improve the company results, sufficiency of cash to pay dividends to stockholders, and the pricing decisions. Then the another internal users are the employees. The information needed by the employees are the profit for the period, and then the salaries paid to employees if the organization or the company will be able to give salary increase or not, or will be able to give additional benefits or not. So that's the information needed by the employees. And then the decision supported job security, consider staying in the employ of the company or look for other employment opportunities. The other internal users is the owners or investors or the stockholders. Information needed: the profit or income of the business for the period, the resources or assets of the business, how much is the liabilities of the business. Then decision supported, considerations regarding additional investment or adding capital structure through debt or equity, expanding the business in the future, borrowing funds to support any expansion plans. Accounting information is presented to internal users, usually in the form of management accounts, budgets, forecasts, and financial statements. This information will support whatever decisions of the internal users. Now let us proceed to the external users of financial positions. So who are these external users? So these are the individuals and organizations outside a company who want financial information about the company. These users are not directly involved in managing and operating the business. The external users are considered as the secondary users of accounting information because the internal users are the primary users. Okay, so who are these external users? The creditors, users who need accounting information to determine the credit integrity of the company, worthiness of the organization, and credit terms. So the creditors are interested if the company will be able to pay their short-term or long-term obligations. Then the tax authorities, a government agency that verifies the accuracy of financial data to ensure the credibility of the tax returns filed by the business. The other external users of accounting informations are the investors. So they are the users who need accounting information to evaluate and examine the feasibility of investing in a company. The customers, so they are the users who evaluate the financial informations of its supplier to keep stable source of supply in the long term. And then the regulatory authorities, government agencies like SEC, Department of Trade and Industry, the Department of Labor and Employment, were established to supervise if businesses comply with legal requirements in running a business. To recap our discussion, there are two users of financial information. The internal users, okay, these are the management, employees, and the owners. And then the other one is the external users. These are the creditors, tax authorities, investors, customers, and the regulatory authorities. Thank you for watching our lesson video today. Have a nice day and bye-bye.